Let's do a SolidWorks animation tutorial in SolidWorks. We will create this each and every part and assemble, and at the end we will make simple animation, or we will learn about motion analysis in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. Now let's create this ladder. There are three parts: one ladder, one wooden block, and then one base. So let's create this ladder. You will see this ladder height 220 and width 64, thickness 5 millimeter, and side width 15 millimeter. Okay, and there is a chamfer. We will see front plane is sketch. Let me activate corner rectangle and start from here. Okay. Now hold shift key, select this origin point and this line, make it midpoint. Okay. Now make this one construction line. Now again activate line, rectangle, corner rectangle, and draw two rectangles at both corner. Now let's define 220, 64. Now this width 5. Okay. Now select this length and this one, hold shift key, and if you leave shift key you will see this pop up, or right side you will see equal. Okay, now let's extrude this. Now here keep end condition mid plane so that material flow both side equally, 15 millimeter. Okay, see, let's apply chamfer. Let's say 1 into 45 degree. Let's see how impact 1. Select this, make it 2. Fine. Again activate chamfer, select this corner, select this first option. It will select all 4 edges. Now here choose angle distance 2 into 45 degree. Now let's make this center part, this ladder detail. Okay, this is 5 by 9 slot. This is kind of oblong, 20, 45. Okay. So let me select this face, sketch, activate here center point straight slot. Okay, let's define 5. Now outside to outside, hold shift key and select upper part and lower part, 9. Okay, now distance from center to here, 20. Now what I will do, now let's go to feature, apply extruded boss base, and here choose up to surface, select this surface. Unmerge result. Okay. Now let's make multiple pattern. Directions, select this. Gap 45 and 5 number of ladders. So feature, select this ladder. Now you will see the preview. Okay. Now still there is not hole for this. So you can do this. Insert, feature, indent feature. Now target body, this one, and select this all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep selection. We don't need to delete this one, keep, but make it cut. Okay. Again, I'll do insert, feature, indent, target body, this one. Now keep selection and select these 5 ladder. Keep selection, cut. Okay. If you right click, isolate, see the hole is created. Okay. Now let me define some color, wood. polished mahogany. Okay, select this part. Now make this part ladder. Already there, ladder 1. Save. New part, sketch. Right plane, sketch. Now this wooden block going to fell down. 23, 40, 5 millimeter gap, radius 5, center gap 25. Then there is corner radius 1 millimeter. Center rectangle, smart dimension 45, 23. Then let me drive one circle. Again select corner rectangle. Start from here to here. Now select this point and circle coincide. Trim entity, activate, keep trim entity as construction line. Trim entity, hold and shift and rotate. This is trimmed. Five millimeter. The radius also 5 millimeter. Mirror entity, select clear. Select this one. Again clear. Select only this one. Mirror about. Oh, we don't have line. Select center line. Select this line. Origin point. Make this line vertical. Now this is in center. Hold shift key. Select this circle. And here select this line also. Make sure copy mirror about this line. See the preview. Okay. Center distance not given. 25. See, it seems fully defined. Go to feature, apply extruded boss base. Select this face. Here choose mid plane. Up to mid plane. Thickness 10 millimeter. Okay. Fillet 10 millimeter. Select 2 millimeter. Okay. Let me make 5 millimeter. Let's select all and we will see. I forget to add 3 millimeter. Fine. Again 0.5, 1 millimeter. 0.5. Select this corner, hold shift key. See, 1 mm. Again choose 1 mm. Okay. Now let's define this. How much? Okay. Wooden block. Let's make one. We already have. Now let's see new. Choose here assembly. Okay. Activate origin point. We need to fix ladder. Now keep cursor and this is going to fix here. Leave. Okay. Now you can hide this. Now this body at center, even if you right click by default, this is fixed. Let's see the position. Okay, this is perfect. Let's insert component wooden block. Now select right plane of ladder, come down, hold shift key, control key, right click, and here choose matte. See, both in one line, one plane. Okay, and cancel. Now this is one plane. Now let's create one more important relation. Let's hide this. Matte. Select this face and this face. Select concentric relation. Okay, cancel. Now let me select this face. Here choose. See, this is going to coincide. So now what we will do, we just apply this to fix the position. Now we don't need this. Either you can delete or you can suppress. So I'll go for suppress. Now suppress. See, there is a going to collapse. So just drag. Okay, this is fine. Okay, we need one tool, interference. Go to markup. No. Okay, see here, evaluate interference, calculate. No interference. See here. Okay. Now make little tilt. Okay, before let me unsuppress. Now tilt possible. See, because if you keep it straight, it will not fell down. I want to fell down this one. So make little towards any side down. Now suppress. Normal view. Again, I have to check the position. Oh, this is going to collapse. Okay, done. Now let me say, let's edit image none, floor, reflection, everything gone. Now here we have to create base. So let me create new part. Click this part, edit part. Choose top plane, sketch, corner rectangle, no, choose center rectangle. Start with the center origin point. Dimension 150 by 100. Now go to feature, apply extruded boss base. Now here choose isometric view. Choose end condition blind and make it downside. See, we are on okay. Simply exit from the part. Oh no, we forget to add again, edit surface 10 millimeters, select one corner, select this one, and let's say 4 corner. Okay. Now exit. Now from here, I can change color. Okay. Let me okay. Now let's save this one. Save all. Now see, there is extra part. So save internally or externally. Externally you can save. I am going to choose internally. Okay. Now right click here, toolbars, and activate motion manager. Before going, go to SolidWorks and activate SolidWorks motion. Now let me take up. Now here option, choose at least basic motion. Now here, before going that, I'm going to first apply gravity. See here this option, gravity. Make it see y direction, downward side. That's why this is reverse. Okay. Then choose contact. I'm going to select 1, 2, 3. Solid bodies. See here all 3 selected. Apply. Now here go to option. Frame, I'm going to make 60 frame. Now geometry accuracy keep higher, and rest you can keep okay. Now calculate. Now this is fell down very quickly. Now take it little 4 or something like 3 second. And here choose 0.5. Here play from start. See how smoothly is going. You can choose. Oh, see the time is changed. Again calculate. 3 seconds is enough actually, but it's going 5 seconds. Okay. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.